Spectacular.
Okay.
Hello guys, today we make bread using the wild yeast that is on the grapes. This is why I put the grapes here in the dish. I smash it. Now I will collect the juice. We should use the double of flour of the juice. So now I will filter the juice, add the flour, mix very well, put in a new glass. This one is dirty. Cover with a plastic wrap. When the fermentation, when our dough start growing, I'll let you know. After 20 hours, our yeast is ready, very active. Now it's more than the double because the yeast probably was very active on the grapes, and also because in the juice from the grapes there was the sugar. Now we can go ahead with a recipe with the ingredient for the bread. For the bread you need 380 grams of water, 500 grams of flour, bread flour, the one that you can find easily in your country, 10 grams of salt. Now we put our starter in the water. We mix until it's melted. Half of the flour, mix again. The salt, mix again. The remaining flour, mix again and work a little bit your dough. After we cover, and we should wait again that raise up until it's the double again. After 8 hours, you can see that our dough doubled. Sorry, I was not able to do the video before because it was out. You can go ahead with the recipe when your dough doubled. Now we put the dough here on the table with a little bit of flour. We cut in 2 pieces and we need to fold the dough 1-2 times. I will show you. After you give the shape to your bread and put or in a basket like this, or this one for make bread too, like banana bread or plum cake. But inside you need to put the towel with a little bit of flour. You cover, and when your bread double again, we can bake it. After 1 hour and 30, we can bake our bread. My oven is already hot. You need to preheat it at the maximum of the power. In my case is 230 Celsius degree. Inside the oven you should put a cup with the water inside. This is only one example. In my oven I put already the cup. Now I put the bread, my future bread, the dough, with the one that you shape. You need to make a cut like this, and after you bake in the oven with the water inside. After 30 minutes you remove the water and you bake other 10-15 minutes. And after 15 minutes at 230 Celsius degree, I remove the water, I drop the temperature at 180 Celsius degree, I keep baking for 20 minutes. Now our bread is ready, but it's too hot. We should wait that become cold, and after we can taste it. Spectacular, especially with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and the salt. Very yummy. I'll show you again the holes inside, the bubbles. And spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share it with your friends. For any question, any request, always down in the comment. If you want to share some recipe with me, let us know down in the comment. If you try to make it and want to share with me your results, send me some pictures on Instagram. Bye bye. Outside is crunchy, inside soft, very spectacular.